Two of the greatest minds in human history that spanned vastly different industries were Salvador Dali and Thomas Edison. Despite their differences in creation, there's one thing that connected them besides their genius. They both hated sleep. They thought it was a waste of time. What they did do, perhaps unknowingly, is tap into the zone instead of sleeping on its own. They both came up with a protocol that was very similar to take naps with something in their hand. That way, when they started to doze off, the object would fall from their hands to the floor and the noise would wake them up in their halfway asleep stage. And they would go back to work, feeling a little bit refreshed, but mostly in a position of utmost focus and creativity. We know now through science that what they were really doing was accessing a way to perform mentally at different brainwave speeds. Most of us spend our conscious days within the beta brainwave state, which is an alert, active, and conscious state. When we take a step back and relax, they slow into what is called the alpha brainwave state. This is a state that encourages focus, creativity, and is found often in the early stages of sleep. And even deeper brainwaves, called theta brainwaves, occur when the brain slows even more. These brainwave states for most people are rarely accessed in the waking state and are found mostly in sleep. It is likely that during these protocols, both Salvador Dali and Thomas Edison were tapping into alpha and theta brainwave states. Most people access these states only during sleep or in rare occasions by accident. This is the state that some people call flow. When time seems to stand still, your focus is right on point and you move forward with what needs to be done. For me, meditation is the most reliable way to access the zone while fully conscious so that you can have laser focus when you need it, you have the mental efficiency to get it all done faster, and the ability to tap into creativity to solve problems and create solutions that actually work. If you're watching this, I know you. You've worked hard to get to where you are, and now with all the things that you've dreamed of achieving coming into place, there's just something off. You're trying so hard to figure out this next thing, stopping you from really enjoying your life, and you just can't do it on your own. You can't pinpoint it. You think it's about money maybe, but really it's not about money. It's more about just moving forward in flow. Is that your vibe? If it is, and you agree with me that it might be helpful to learn how to master your mind using meditation and coaching, that is what we focus on during the months of November and December in the So Money Society. It's called the Holiday Fix. And we come together in the society, join for meetings, discuss in forums, and we learn how to use meditation and coaching, including self-coaching, in order to clear our minds, to focus on what's really important, and to become more creative so that we can solve the problems that need to be solved. So if you've always been wondering, I wonder if meditation would work for me, and I wonder if coaching might work for me, this is the best option for you to finish your year with a bang, get everything done that needs to be done in the holidays, and also enjoy everything that you've worked so hard for so that we can finish the year with fulfillment and passion. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, click the button below and I will send you all of the information you need in order to learn more. I cannot wait to see you in the society and teach you how to passively and actively meditate to help with your focus and creativity, and also to coach you and to teach you how to coach yourself. Let's do this. I can't wait to see you. I'm saving you a seat. Love you.